Hello everyone, welcome back to my mass mukbang. So today on the menu I'm having Popeyes chicken. Yes, I have their nice biscuits. I'm gonna eat it with my favorite side, which is red bean and rice. Oh, drum roll please. I'm having their infamous chicken sandwich. Yes, I'm having the mild chicken sandwich. Can't wait to try that. Hope it's great. And of course, I have a salad. And today, instead of soda, I'm going to be drinking lemon water. Yeah, it's good for digestion. Okay, let's get to it. Grace time. Can't wait. I'm going to try this red bean and rice first. I really couldn't wait to try this. To me, this is the best side that they have. The very best. Like chicken. Put some hot sauce on it. I had mild chicken because I like to add my hot sauce on it as I want it. I don't want for the whole chicken to be spicy all the time. So a couple of bites of spicy here, a couple of regular. That's good for me. Yes. Their chicken is just good every time. No complaints or disappointment from me. I used to way longer. I used to like KFC less, but I think Popeyes had them beat. Yes, I really do. I really do. Oh, I have grape jelly for my biscuits. I forgot to get some, but I absolutely love jelly with my biscuits. You should try it. You all should try it. Let's see if I can. Oh, did it. Yes. That's the way to eat a biscuit. I like the crunch. I don't know if y'all can hear the crunch. There's some nice crunch going on. And that's the way fried chicken is supposed to be. Now, hold on. Let's drink some water and get to this sandwich. Okay. All right. Nice crispy chicken sandwich. Let's see. Well, I tell you this. It's a good sandwich. But I don't understand how people are fighting and was killing each other for the sandwich. I mean, seriously, it's a good sandwich, but I wouldn't even trip someone in the line for it. It's okay. Mm-hmm. And I don't know, maybe it's just me. Or maybe it might be just this batch, but it's a little salty to me. Tasting a lot of salt. I don't mean harm, but Checkers, I think. I mean, not Checkers, I'm sorry. Chick-fil-A. Their chicken sandwiches. Now, their chicken sandwiches making start a riot to me. But this Popeyes one, it's alright. It's okay. The way people was acting up and the lines were so long and things when they first came out, I thought that sandwich was going to be all of that. It's okay though. It's okay. Now, to eat my favorite piece of the chicken. To start off with, and this is supposed to be the driest part of the chicken, but the Popeyes make it real moist and flavorful. It's really moist. And that was up. Red beef and rice, y'all. I'm telling you. This is, one. That crunch. haven't been touching my salad much. That's how it is. I'm getting to this food, the salad's on the back burner now. It doesn't taste as good as it usually does. Well, beans and rice all day. Oh, let me show y'all this meat because this meat is really moist looking. Look, I don't know if you can really see, but it's really moist. A little bit more hot sauce. We got I'm telling you, if you do not already eat this combination, try biscuits and jelly. And if you really wanna get loose, try butter with the jelly. Yes. So, I have really enjoyed today's menu, and I'm going to ask you all to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you. Bye.